Man, they look sketchy. So, brother. So, yeah, brother. Yeah. Oh, shit, let me scan my show thing. I'll tell you that, brother. That's all. No, I'm good, love. Love. One thing I love the four-wheel drive system on this, the way that the corners is phenomenal, man. You see what I mean? I don't know if it's me or that was a rich one there. It is fucking cold in there. You know what it is, yeah? I've had the heating running, but you know, because when you got the GoPro running and you got the windows up, because it's an action camera made for action, i.e. airflow, flipping out, it will get over hot. And I don't want it to overheat. Sorry, that's what I was supposed to say. Whoever says that, just get too hot. So I don't want it to overheat. It's already a bit burning my nose a little bit when I hit a speed hump. Right, it's still a manual. Like, I find it sounds so big. I'm gonna take it out of sports mode because of like residents in it. Get what I mean? Not gonna take the piss. I find that it sounds so beautiful when it's cold. When it's hot, I feel like the heat absorbs a bit of the energy, so it doesn't bang as loud. But when it's cold, hitting that, I was gonna say titanium, but it's not titanium. Yeah, stainless steel, you know, stainless steel exhaust. I feel like when it hits it, yo, that pops some boo, yo, some cowboy thing going on in the back. You get me? Oh, thank you. Perks of driving an R. Everyone just pulls over for you. I think it's the lights, you know. It's got that very intimidating light look. You can proper, when you gas it a bit, you can proper hear the speakers like trying to pump in the fake sound, but that's all right. I wouldn't, a lot of men decode it out. I personally wouldn't, because that's what makes the Golf R in it, having that sound. You get what I mean? Like, I personally wouldn't decode it out. Personally, that's just me. I'll just keep it in it. That's just me. I'll just keep it. That's just me. I love, like, when I'm not touching it, it's just quiet. It's in gear 6, just cruising quiet. It's still in race mode, you know. Put a little bit of pressure, drop to gear. Ooh, humpy. Drop it a bit, drop to gear a little bit. Just gone up a gear now. Gone up a gear now. Didn't see the hump. Yes, I did. Slows down, drop. Keeps it quiet. That's what I love about the R. How could 2 Mondeos blowing? Ooh, scary, South London, yo. It's been a minute, yo, fam. 2 Mondeos blowing like that. Yo, you might as well just put your blues and twos on. Fucking hell, that's a bit obble. It's all about your reaction times. I love these roads, like all the different inclines and that. You proper get to feel out your car in these roads like this. Central London, you should be looking at lights, and you get what I mean? Tourists. Nothing wrong with that, but I just prefer a bit more driving. Do you get what I mean? Ooh, there's a bit of a late gear change. It's alright though, we're not on the Formula 1 track, you know what I mean? Let me put my lumbar support in so I'm a bit more comfy, yeah. These humps are invisible, fuck, you know? That hole. Oh, there's blue lights. I was gonna do a launch, but there's blue lights, so I'm not doing it. I'm not gonna do it, I'm not gonna do it. Goes into eco mode because we don't know what's on the corners. No, it's late night. Everyone can, I can't hear no one, but everyone can hear me. You get me? Oh, these lights are bright. Some of these new cars, their lights are bright, man. I've been right there. Oh, should be a Costa somewhere. Oh no, it's not it. Oh, they look sketchy.